Cryptocurrency is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptography does not have a central issuing or regulating authority. Instead, using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Cryptocurrencies look to offer several benefits over traditional money. These include speed, security, censorship resistance. Let me explain briefly. Speed. With cryptocurrencies, sending money or value across regions or continents happen in a few minutes. This trumps traditional cash, which takes hours to days in some cases. Security. Cryptocurrencies run on blockchains, which are distributed and decentralized. Since they are not centralized, there are no single point of failure. This makes the blockchain harder to corrupt or hack. Censorship resistant. Anyone can use cryptocurrencies. They offer users financial freedom. No government or central authority can censor or reverse a transaction once it's completed.